Number 17. The scatter plot below shows movie theaters with different numbers of screens and their average weekly attendance. Based on the trend in the scatter plot, approximately how many people will be in attendance at the movie theater with 8 screens? So, these are a number of screens, these are the people in attendance. We want to know when our line will hit 8 screens. It's a prediction, so we're going to use our same line that we used for our other prediction one. Remember, you can kind of ignore what I drew there before, but we want our line to go through approximately the middle, to where we have the same number on top and on bottom. See here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on top, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on bottom. So it's going to hit between 120 and 125, or 130, because each of these go up by 10. So it's going to hit somewhere around here. So our answer choice should be a number above 20. The only number above 20 is answer choice D.